Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than before. If you find this content helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated on our latest analysis and won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. It's important to note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.14. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 39.23% since we initially recommended Meta as a buy candidate 41 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.96% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 25.17% change in the stock's value, with a potential return ranging from 4.80% to 31.61%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a forecasted 71.58% change in the stock's value, with a potential return ranging from 29.51% to 79.82%. This suggests a price range of $588.89 to $817.70 after a year. In our latest update for Meta, we have an important headline to share. The Meta stock price closed at $454.72 on Tuesday, showing a decrease of 1.02%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, February 6, 2024, the Meta stock price decreased by 1.02% from $459.41 to $454.72. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $453.03 and a high of $467.12, showing a 3.11% variation. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has gained 18.05% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased, which can be seen as a positive signal, as the volume usually follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 19 million shares on the last day, with a total of 21 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.77 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price the stock reached was $485.96, while the lowest price was $167.66. Currently, the stock price is 6.43% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $31.24. It's important to note that the current stock price of $454.72 is also the all-time high for Meta stock. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Meta, a popular company in the market. On Friday, February 2, 2024, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Needham rated Meta as a buy with a hold action. Another notable rating came from JMP Securities on the same day, giving Meta a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, UBS also rated Meta as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, Mizuho Securities also gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action on the same day. Analysts have given Meta stock a strong buy rating overall. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. Furthermore, the stock receives a strong buy rating for return on investment. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. Meta stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from the lines at $425.02 and $375.65. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be generated. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. On Friday, February 2, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -4.27% so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Another observation is that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to keep in mind is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 3 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. Turning our attention to the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 41 days ago. Furthermore, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 69 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Let's start with the downside. The stock currently has support levels at $394.78 and $390.14, indicated by accumulated volume. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the current support at $394.78 is broken, the next support levels are at $390.14 and $370.47. It's important to note that Meta is considered high risk due to its volatility. The stock has the potential to move significantly during the day, as indicated by the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $14.09, which is equivalent to a 3.11% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.56%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Meta. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio helps us understand the relationship between a company's share price and its per-share earnings. Meta currently has a P/E ratio that falls within the normal range. This is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, we can expect the next earnings report for Meta in Q1 2024, specifically on April 24, 2024. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Meta. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $459.41. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering entering a position. However, if you're already invested in Meta, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Meta experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $394.78. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity for entry, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Zuckerberg Mark, who bought and sold a total of 63,911 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -38.014. Overall, insiders have purchased 94,188 shares and sold 210,994 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $432.09, which represents a decrease of 4.98%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 78, further increasing the risk involved. It is important to note that a sell signal was generated from a pivot top discovered just 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe there are positive signals and a general upward trend for Meta stock. This indicates a potential buying opportunity in the short term. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, February 7th, we anticipate Meta to open up at $3.57 and start trading at $458.29. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, always consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. If you enjoy our content, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest insights and recommendations. We sincerely hope that our analysis will contribute to your successful trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day.